Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tomato Blues Kitchen. This is me Anusha Rajagopal sharing a very traditional Tamarind recipe today. I'm going to show you all how to make Vengaya Vatha Kuzhambu. So Vattal Kuzhambu basically uses sun-dried veggies or vattal, but today we are going to use shallots and some garlic for nice flavor and make this delicious tamarind based Vatha Kuzhambu. So come on, let's get started making some lip-smacking good Vatha Kuzhambu. To make Vatha Kuzhambu, we are going to use sesame oil. I have used cold pressed sesame oil here. I'm adding about 50 ml of sesame oil. Once the oil heats up, let's add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and wait for the mustard seeds to splatter. When the mustard seeds splatter, add a generous pinch of asafoetida, and along with this, we will be adding half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. The fenugreek seeds bring about a beautiful flavor in your Vatha Kuzhambu, and this is a very important thing in your tempering. Now let's add 2 dry red chilies which has been torn. I'm using Kashmiri red chili today for some nice color. Now the next step will be to add 10 cloves of garlic along with a few curry leaves, and then we are going to use some peeled and sliced shallots. I have just roughly sliced shallots, that is Sambar Vengayam. I've taken 12 of it and I've added it to the sesame oil. Now let's give this all a good mix. That is, we're going to be frying this garlic and the shallots along with the tempered spices until the shallots turn pink and soft. Addition of garlic in this Vatha Kuzhambu is optional but highly recommended. Now once the shallots have turned pink, let's add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Many people do not add turmeric powder, but I like adding turmeric powder, which is why I add it to my Vatha Kuzhambu. Next, we will be adding 2 teaspoons of Sambar Powder. Any Sambar powder should work for this Vatha Kuzhambu. It can be store-bought or even homemade. I am using my homemade Sambar Powder. Once you add the Sambar Powder, crank down the flame to the lowest possible and saute this for about 1 minute. Once you've done this, let's add the tamarind extract. I have taken 1 cup of tamarind extract today. To make the tamarind extract, I have soaked a small lemon-sized ball of tamarind in 1 cup of warm water, and then once the tamarind turned soft, I squeezed it out nicely, discarded the fiber and used it. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Jaggery Powder. I also added half a cup of water in between to adjust the consistency. Now we are adding salt to taste. And then let's give this all a good mix. Now after this, whatever we are going to do is we are going to simmer this Kuzhambu till thick and the oil begins to float on the surface. This takes approximately 10 to 12 minutes on low flame. Vatha Kuzhambu will go through different phases during this time. First, the raw smell of the tamarind will go away. This takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then the Kuzhambu will start to froth up on the surface like how you can see in the video. And eventually the water content will begin to reduce and the Kuzhambu will begin to thicken. You can also see that at one point the oil begins to float on the surface. Now this is the correct stage for you all to take the Kuzhambu off the heat. If you can see, the water quantity has reduced, the Kuzhambu has thickened, and the oil has also begun to float on the surface. At this point, we are going to add a few fresh curry leaves torn. This adds a beautiful earthy flavor to your Vatha Kuzhambu. And that's it, my friends. Vengaya Vatha Kuzhambu is ready to be served with hot rice, paruppu or thair sadam. It's a fantastic combination either way, so please do try the recipe, and in case you try our Vatha Kuzhambu, do not forget to click a picture and share it with us on Instagram, Facebook or on Twitter by tagging us at Tomato Blues. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for regular recipe and video updates. Thank you for watching. Tata, bye bye.